Hello my fashion enthusiasts. Today we are embarking on a visual feast celebrating the timeless elegance of Kente cloth. These are Kentes that are authentic and original because these Kente, you can never see it in anywhere, any part of the world, because it's only made in Ghana. And even in Ghana there are specific tribes who are well known to make these Kente. So if you see Kente in everywhere in the world, it's originated from Ghana. It's something that you can never imitate. You know what? So I'm going to be showing you the freshest designs, the newest hues that's in town that I trust that will bedazzle every single bride in 2024. Ebusia, obe biara obe worry in 2024. Me say me can put this Kente them out because these are the freshest, the luxurious, the elegant, you know, newest of Kente designs that you will be that from generation to generation. You who these kind of designs are that. Just I mean I don't know, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my top 5. Okay, I'm going to show you my top 5, and I'm daring you because I'm going to see you in it in 2024. So let's go. Before I do that, I want to tell you a little bit of history and significance behind these beautiful Kente cloth and its symbolism or behind every bride who decides to adorn on these vibrant Kente clothes. So let's go. Ghanaian Kente cloth is a true embodiment of cultural magnificence. Its weaves tells the tale of heritage and identity like no other. Each vibrant thread, meticulously intertwined, carries the collective wisdom and artistry of generations. For every bride donning on the Kente, there is a profound celebration of not just personal style, but a deep connection to Ghanaian culture. The intricate patterns and the colors of the Kente hold significant meanings, often representing values, proverbs, or historical events that happens in Ghana or Africa as a whole. The cloth tells a story, and as a bride adorns on herself, she becomes a living canvas, embodying the rich narrative of her own people. Kente is made in Ghana, but it's not only worn by Ghanaians. Any bride anywhere all over the world can wear these Kente because of its rich meaning and significance. And as soon as you don on it, just as I said, instantaneously you become a living canvas embodying the rich narrative of your own people. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Kente serves as a symbol of unity as it's often woven by a team of skilled artisans. The collaborative effort mirrors the communal spirit essential to Ghanaian culture, emphasizing the strength found in togetherness. To wear Ghanaian authentic original Kente is to carry a piece of Ghana's culture or Africa's cultural tapestry into the future, honoring the past while stepping into your new, befitted, blessed, elegant, beautiful chapter of your life. To wear Kente is a declaration of pride, a nod to ancestry, and a breathtaking expression of the bride's unique journey within the folds of Africans or Ghanaians tradition. Get ready for a countdown of my top 5 latest Kente designs that promises to elevate every single bride who is going to get married in 2024 to a new height this year. Let the drum roll start. Bang. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my top 5 different elegant hues or designs, or the freshest Kente designs that I recommend for every bride on their special journey as they celebrate the pride and grace of a woman adorned in these vibrant hues of Kente on her engagement. Thank you so much, and if you're liking this video so far, make sure to give me a thumbs up, you know, and share this video for your friends who are also going to get married or who have new events coming up. Thank you so much.